Beautiful. That's my version of beef with mushroom. If you look at that. Jack, Daddy need your help.
I bet Jack can say in one go.
Yeah. Okay, today we're making beef with mushroom. It's a request from one of our first ever subscriber. So we gotta do it, right? And you're gonna try it later, yeah? Well done. Okay. Okay then, if you don't like it, then you don't have to eat it, okay? But you're gonna try it though, right? Okay, so 2 small onions cut into cubes, like so. And if you have a big one, just one big one would do it. Perfect. And for the onions, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 stems here. Just split them out. Perfect. And then for mushrooms, I can use any, but I like to use this chestnut mushrooms. And come into pretty thick chunks, like so. Okay, so I've just cut up about 250 grams of mushrooms. Give it a quick wash, and then that's ready to go. Okay, for the beef, I have about 200-gram pieces top side here. You can use anything from the skirt beef, top side or silver side will be just fine. Cut it against the grain. With these cuts here, you don't have to make it too thin. I like it about yay thick. So, and then done the fresh red color that it's got there. Now when you got to the end bits like this, you just flatten it out. Use this side of the, just tender it out like that. Perfect. Add 1 teaspoon of potato starch, sprinkle of black pepper, drizzle of dark soy sauce, drizzle of light soy sauce, sesame oil, clove of oil, and 1 egg. Perfect. Oh, I almost forgot. About half a teaspoon of baking soda. And garlic. Okay, let that marinate for about 20 minutes to half an hour, and that should be ready to go. Okay, we're going to start cook down the onions and the mushroom. Medium heat will do. In with the mushroom. Now this takes very quickly, so good 2-3 minutes of stir fry and that'll be enough. Add a little bit of salt onto this. Pinch of sugar. Now when you see your mushrooms at this consistency right here, that's good enough to take it out. We don't want to overcook the mushroom at all. Alright, in the same wok, heat on high, and in with your beef. Okay, now we can go in with the mushroom, the spring onion, and the onion that we stir fried earlier. Souching wine, take these off the heat. A little bit more soy sauce. At the end, I always add a little bit more garlic there. Give that a little boost. Help you take the lid off. Add a couple of glug of sesame oil, and that's perfectly done. Alright, when you look at this, look how lovely and dry this is. There's no runny sauces here. Beautiful, beautiful. That's my version of beef with mushroom. If you look at that, the mushroom still hold its shape. Beef very tender. Enjoy. What are you doing? You can't wait to taste it. Daddy just finished cooking the Cambridge chicken now. You're going to taste it? Daddy, go. Yeah? You really like it? Nice? Okay. Thank you. Say bye-bye.